If you thought it was hot over the weekend, yeah, it's still hot today. Temperatures up above 100 in much of the Upper Valley, still 101 in McAllen, even 100 in Rio Grande City. And Edinburgh wins the prize, 103, the hottest spot right now at the airport north of Edinburgh. But most areas in the lower valley staying in the 90s. It is rather humid, though, still, and temperatures, when you factor in humidity, all feel like it's over 100, even 110 in McAllen, 114 in Rio Grande City. So hot and dry today. There's only a small chance that a shower or maybe a thunderstorm could try to pop up somewhere in or near the valley this evening, but the better chances are still pretty far to the north. So just kind of watch the skies throughout the evening to see if something might try to form, but I think the air is still just too stable here to get much going, even though it's very humid and very hot. The temperatures fall through the 80s this evening. Tomorrow's a day, though, when we start off dry and warm in the morning, temperatures in the 80s. By noon, we're already in the 90s. Tomorrow, though, I think there is a better chance to see maybe a couple of showers or storms flare up. The best chance overall could be in the Upper Valley over Star and Hidalgo counties, or off to the west and north of there toward Falcon Lake and Zapata County. So kind of watch the skies tomorrow. I think out of today and tomorrow is a better chance by far to see maybe a storm pop up. And there's enough moisture that if a storm does form, you could have some heavy downpours tomorrow. But it's another situation where, you know, out of the entire valley, maybe one or two spots get some rain, and the rest of you are just sitting out there sweating in the heat tomorrow. So still, I think your better chances are the farther west you live tomorrow in the Star County. Future Track kind of shows this trend with dry weather this evening and partly cloudy skies. Tomorrow, starting off with a few patchy clouds, but kind of a partly to mostly sunny day. You notice by 1 p.m., Future Track trying to show some rain, and then the better chance of rain in the afternoon. A shower or storm, maybe some heavier rain in Zapata County or nearby, if this model works out exactly like that. But I think, again, this general area on this side of the map might have the better chance for a shower or storm. And Future Track shows maybe a few heavy downpours trying to fire up late in the day in Star County and maybe Hidalgo County before fading away after sunset. So, again, tomorrow, late in the afternoon, evening, say 4 or 5 p.m. through the evening, kind of just watch and see if anything is forming. You know, you can always get out the phone, check out the KRGV weather app. It's just that simple to see if any storms are popping up tomorrow. And then Wednesday should be a dry day. We'll have to watch tropical moisture late in the week, as a few more showers or storms could come in depending on the exact path of Tropical Storm Franklin. But here's a look at the tropics, and you see when we look at Tropical Storm Franklin, it's in the Western Caribbean, expected to move over the Yucatan Peninsula of Mexico into the Southern Gulf. The latest update, the track does keep it a little stronger. If you look at the winds right now are at 60 miles per hour, but by tomorrow, still a tropical storm, may become a hurricane briefly tomorrow evening and night, and then by Thursday, it's already moving inland way down there between Tampico and Veracruz. In fact, it's far enough away that we're probably going to miss any big rain, any widespread rain. The distance from Tampico to Brownsville is about 250 miles in a straight line, and at that distance, we're probably too far away to get any more than just maybe some scattered showers or a couple storms and a few bigger waves possible at the coast. So the first 1570 forecast, still about a 20% chance for a shower storm tomorrow, dropping to about 10 on Wednesday. It could come up to about 30% on Thursday with that tropical moisture from Franklin. But again, as far as any strong winds or widespread rain, that will be way, way, way to our south. And then over the weekend coming up, we're back to dry and hot again for Saturday, Sunday, and going into Monday. We'll keep watching any rain chances, though, as they unfold in your first 1-5 forecast. Dina?